equations in two variables. So linear equations are nothing but equations of the form in the two variables. So here x and y are the variables, and each equation is of degree 1. You don't have degree more than 1. These kind of equations are called linear equations. So in the linear equations, each linear equation represents a straight line in the graph. So if you solve these two equations, you will either get a unique solution or infinitely many solutions, or no solution. So these two cases are called consistent. So if you get a solution, it can be either a unique solution or an infinite number of solutions. If you get a solution, it is consistent. If you don't get a solution, this is called inconsistent. As I told you, in the equation, each linear equation represents a straight line in the graph. So in the unique solution, in the straight line, it will intersect each other. So intersecting lines, one line will be like this, and the other line will intersect this particular line. So the solution is nothing but the point of intersection of these two lines. And in case of infinitely many solutions, both these lines are said to be coincident. What is coincident? If this is one line, the other line will also lie on the same line. So this is coincident. So coincident case la in the rendu line common ella point solution, so that you have infinitely many solutions. And in case of no solution, both the lines will be parallel to each other. So as you know, parallel lines will never meet, so they will not have any solution. So this is one way to find whether the solution is unique or infinitely many or no solution. That graphically நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி போட்டு find out பண்ணலாம். அப்படி இல்லனா how we can find this? For unique solution, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So for this, if I give you an example, it will be like we'll take x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. So in this case, our a1 and a2 is 1 and 3. b1 and b2 is minus 2 and 4. So if you apply in this, you will be getting 1 by 3, which is not equal to minus 2 by 4. This is actually, if you cancel, this is 1 and this is 2, this is minus 1 by 2. So both these values are not equal. So this is a system which has unique solution. Next, if you come to infinitely many solutions, so in that case, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. So for this, we will consider an example, which is 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. So when we take the coefficients and write, a1 by a2 is 2 by 4, b1 by b2 is 3 by 6, c1 by c2 is minus 9 by minus 18. So all these cases we will get just only 1 by 2. So all the three values are equal. So this is infinitely many solutions. Next is no solution. So when will you get a no solution? The condition for no solution is a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2, which will not be equal to c1 by c2. So இது வந்து parallel oda case. For this we will see an example. X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Here if you see, we will take a1 and a2, that is 1 by 2. b1 and b2 is 2 by 4. As you see, both these have become equal now, but when you take c1 by c2, it is minus 4 by minus 12. So when you cancel, you will get 1 by 3. So this is not equal to 1 by 3. So in the condition satisfy panna, our system has got no solution. So this is the discussion for consistency of a system of linear equations in two variables.